Yesterday morning, you let me know you were gone. Susan, the plans we made put an end to you. Walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I seen fire and I seen rain. I seen sunny days when I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you one more time again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days when I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. I've been walking my mind to an easy time, with my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. There's hours of time on the telephone line, just talking about things to come, and sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days when I thought they'd never end. And I've seen lonely times where I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you. Yes, I always thought I'd see you. Yes, I always thought that I'd see you one more time again. Thought I'd see you, fire and rain.